Hello, Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. Once again, I am here with an interesting scholarship program. That name is Gates Cambridge Scholarship Program 2022. That is a fully funded program. Guys, if you are new in my channel, please go and watch my previous video. That will help you definitely in achieving scholarship, internship, and exchange program for the year of 2022. So let's have a look on this scholarship program. Gates Cambridge Scholarship Program. One of the prestigious top-rated Gates Cambridge Scholarship 2022 is now open for the academic year 2022 to 2023. The scholarship funded by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation Scholarship to study master and PhD degree at Cambridge University from the United Kingdom. The Gates Scholarship is open to US citizens and all other international students from any country. All participants outside the UK are eligible for the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation Scholarship Program. A total of 90 scholarships will be provided for full-time postgraduate masters and PhD studies at Cambridge University in any subject available at the University of Cambridge. These scholarships will cover all of your expenses. This is the largest ever single donation to a UK university. The Gates Scholarship 2022 will cover the full cost of studying at Cambridge. It also provides additional discretionary funding for the Gates Master Scholarship. The maximum duration will be for 2 years, whereas for Gates PhD Scholarship up to 4 years. The scholarship will be taken at the University of Cambridge, a world-leading graduate education, consistently ranking among the top universities. About Gates Cambridge University Scholarship. Scholarship country is United Kingdom. The university name is Cambridge University. Funded by Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, and course level are PhD, MSc, Master and Degree Diploma. Financial coverage is fully funded and the deadline is 6 January 2022 for international students and 13 October 2021 for USA citizens. Gates scholarship amount and value. University composition fee at the appropriate rate, a maintenance allowance, one economy round airfare ticket, and inbound visa cost, academic development funding, family allowance, field work, maternity, paternity funding, hardship funding. How many scholarships will be provided by Bill and Melinda Gates? Every year they award approximately 90 scholarships at the University of Cambridge to all international students and US citizenship. Approximately 25 awards are available in the US round and 55 are available in the international round. Duration of the Gates: the PhD degree 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and 7 years, and master degrees 1 year and 2 years. Available academic fields and majors are School of Arts and Humanities, School of Humanities and Social Sciences, School of Biological Sciences, School of Physical Sciences, School of Clinical Medicine, School of Technology, Biomedical, Biological, Engineering, all fields, Science, IT, Humanities, Arts, Social Science, Archaeology, Architecture, Islamic Studies and Astronomy. And Gates Cambridge Scholarship eligibility criteria: a citizen of any country outside the United Kingdom applying to pursue one of the following full-time residential courses of study at the University of Cambridge: PhD, MSc, or postgraduate course. Academic excellence: candidate must show evidence of academic excellence through their transcript, reference, and experience. Reason for choice of course: you should be able to make a strong case for a particular postgraduate degree at Cambridge. Required documents: application material, online application, Gates Cambridge statement, research proposal, PhD applicant only, Gates Cambridge reference. And the last rate for all the international applicants is depend on the course they choose. So it's depend upon your program choice. So go to the visit official website. So guys, this is the official website. So this is a timeline, you can check it. I'm going to how to apply. The application process. So guys, after that you have to go to apply now. In this way guys, you have to search here your course, mathematics. I'm going for applying mathematics. Applied mathematics. So I'm going to apply in master in applied mathematics. And so guys, you can check it here. Application open is September 1st to 2021 to application deadline is 10 February 2022, and the course starts on October 1st, 2022. So I still have time to apply for this program. So I'm going to apply in. So if you are new user, you have to first of all register yourself, and you enter your email, your password, you confirm password. The University of Cambridge would like to send you information by email about news, courses and opportunities. Do you consent to be contacted for this purpose? Yes, then register yourself. I'm already registered myself. I'm going to log in my account to the course start date 1st October 2022. The Faculty of Mathematics, Department of Applied Mathematics and Theoretical Physics. So this is a full-time study mode. Application deadline is 10 February 2022. Document provide, I have to provide transcript, curriculum vitae and language test result if English is not your first language, and the application fee is £75. So I have to pay £75 for the application. So I'm applying for this course. Apply for this course. So guys, you must complete this section before you can progress through the application. It is clearly mentioned that 32 days left, so I still have time, 32 days to apply for this program. So first of all, I have to put my information here. Title. Have you applied previously to the University of Cambridge under different names? No. And date of birth. My date of birth is 7/7/97. So I'm going to save and next. So after that, you have to put your contact details here: primary phone number, secondary phone number and Skype address, contact address, home address, and then save and continue it. So guys, I'm not putting my information step by step, and after contact information you have to put your nationality and visa. So this is information you have to put, and after that your additional information, you have to put information here. What is your gender? This the same as your gender as birth. Yes. And will you be bringing a partner or spouse? No. Will you be bringing children? No. Save and next and continue it. The next section is college membership. Are you already have a member of a University of Cambridge college? No. Do you wish to supply a preference for your college? No. Then save and next. So guys, the next section is academic history. In academic history, you have to put your information, your previous university name, your subject, faculty, department, and you have to upload your transcript here, and after that save it. After completing about you, then you have to complete the next section is course application. In this section, you have to complete your reference request, your employment history, your English language, other information, and course specific question. And after that, funding application. So you have to choose your GATE Cambridge. After that, equal opportunities, you have to put this section, and then summary. You have to upload your documents, your funding summary, and you have to pay £75 for application and then submit. So guys, this is the whole process. In this way, you can apply for GATE Cambridge scholarship program. This is a very good opportunity if you have a very good academic record and work experience and you have potential. You must apply for this prestigious scholarship program in Cambridge University. That is a top ranking university in the world in UK. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it. Also share it with your friend circle. Thank you so much guys. Inshallah I will meet you in my next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.